Hello guys, this is Deepak. Hope all are doing well during this lockdown. So in this video we are going to see about how to keep ourselves fit during this lockdown. Literally I am going to explain myself by speaking in English throughout the video so that we can reach all the set of audiences in and around the world and create an awareness. So the fitness has got some ethical values and lot of informations in and around. So kindly do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon nearby to watch all the updates that are coming your way. So let's get into the video guys. So first of all, what is meant by physical fitness? Physical fitness is a state of health and mental well-being so that it can be improved by a proper nutrition, that is mean by proper diet and moderate exercise or vigorous exercise, and then third point is a proper and good sleep. So these three factors are key factors for the importance of physical fitness and mental fitness. So coming to the physical fitness, first of all, the first point is exercise. What is meant by an exercise? A daily basic routine that we do for keeping our body hale and healthy. So what are the different types of exercise I am going to explain about you. For that, first exercise is aerobic exercise and second type is anaerobic exercise. What is meant by aerobic exercise? Aerobic exercise promotes cardiorespiratory fitness and it also increases the stamina. So it also regulates our body to receive more oxygen and it improves the function of lungs and heart, so that it improves the function of lungs and heart. So it is called as an aerobic exercise. What are the simple examples of the aerobic exercise means? For example, jogging, running, cycling, walking, then swimming and treadmill running. So these are the simplest examples of the aerobic exercise, and most of the people in and around the world are doing the aerobic exercise as a basic part of the life, so that aerobic exercises are very simple and it also improves the function of the heart and the lungs. So second type is anaerobic exercise. Anaerobic exercise is nothing but heavy movements are being given in a short period of time. Heavy movements are performed in a short period of time. That is meant by that is what anaerobic exercise is. Anaerobic exercise, it also improves our strength, endurance, power and ability, withstanding ability and so on. So what are the examples of anaerobic exercise? Anaerobic exercise are nothing but weightlifting and sprinting. You hear that sprinting means for a long run we will take a quick 10 seconds so that we can reach 100 meters. So it is called as a sprinting. So anaerobic exercise basically means it regulates our body's oxygen levels even after the exercise, and it also continues to burn the fat even after the exercise, so that it is called as an anaerobic exercise, and it helps to perform the vigorous movements in a very short period of time. So it is called as an anaerobic exercise. Coming to the exercise, the first point is first stretch before doing exercise and after doing exercise. What is the importance of stretching means? To keep our body very flexible. So to keep our body very flexible and the cause of injury is a very less, so that we can stretch ourselves before and after doing the exercise. First point is stretching. So second point is doing aerobic exercise, basically for normal people. For normal people, basically aerobic exercise is more than enough. For sportsmen, athletes and so on, they do anaerobic exercise because to improve their muscular abilities and so on. So for the normal people, it is hale and healthy to do the aerobic exercise. So what is the recommended time to do the aerobic exercise means 150 minutes per week is enough. So that means you can do at least, my recommendation is for the whole recommendation is 150 minutes a week, but my recommendation is at least spend 1 hour daily to keep your body hale and healthy, so that you can live so many years. And it is not living so many years, but keeping your lifestyle very perfect, and apart from your other activities, your body must be very top in pitch condition, so that you can do all the other activities in a very top notch condition. So first is keeping your body fit. So doing aerobic exercise is very enough for all the ages of the people. So third point is eating right. So the fitness is not basically dependent on the exercise, but it is also dependent on eating right. So eating right is nothing but we should take a lot of protein intake, so that protein intake basically increases the iron content in our body, so that it increases the iron intake in our body means. So for basically I will tell, for the non-veg people, please eat the chicken and fish and the turkey. So for the veg people concerned, beans and seeds and nuts. If you eat eggs, it's more good. So eggs are the vital source and a great source of proteins. So what the US government recommends that the proteins must be taken for the women of age 19 to 30. The proteins must be 5 ounces a day, and for the men 30 to 50, 5.5 ounces a day, and for the women greater than 50, they can take from 5 ounces a day, and for the men greater than 50, they can take 5 ounces a day. This is the protein intake that we can take daily, so that to improve our body and apart from the exercise. The next important point is to get enough veggies. Veggies means vegetables. Vegetables helps you to get more vitamins and minerals to our body, and it also provides various and useful fibers which will help our digestive tract to keep more healthy, so that our digestive system will be very clean and our body also should be very healthy. So that the veggies, for the following recommendations, the women of age of 19 to 50 should take at least 2.5 cups of veggies daily, and the women of age above 50 can take at least 2 cups of veggies daily, and the men of age 19 to 50 can take at least 3 cups of veggies daily. So probably don't be angry with me. Men, compared to women, men are almost bigger in size, so that we need 3 cups of veggies daily. So next, of 50 to men of 50 and above can take at least 2 cups of veggies daily. So the veggies are the most important and vital source of vitamins and minerals in our body. So the next thing we need that is the fruits. So the fruits are very important to our body. So it increases our metabolism and boosts up our metabolism very rapidly. So the fruits that are the recommendations are, women of about 19 to 50 age can be at least eat 3 cups of fruits daily, and men of age 19 to 50 can eat 3 cups of fruits daily, and women of age 50 and men of age above 50 can eat up to 2 cups of fruits daily. So the next important point I am going to say that, so always take about 2 cups of, at least 2 glass of milk daily, so that it improves our bones regularly, so that it improves our bone stability and sturdity and rigidity of our bones, so that the bones will be very strong. So okay guys, to put it more simple, please ensure that your plate is filled with half of the veggies and fruits, so that it leads to more vitamins and minerals into your body, so that it keeps more hale and healthy. So the next point is, please limit the oily foods and junk foods, so that like pizzas, burgers, french fries and donuts. So it will help to lead and add the calories to your body more, but it leads to unhealthy diet. So please control the intake of the oily foods and junk foods. I didn't tell that you should not consume the oily food and junk food, but please control that, because overconsumption of anything will lead to nothing. So this is my point guys. So the next point is, being an International Yoga Day yesterday, I thought of speaking about this topic, but please ensure to follow these tips mainly during this lifetime, your lifetime. Please follow these tips during your lifetime, so that it will be more helpful for your body and you to wake up actively and do your work sincerely, and to keep your body more healthy. So please follow these tips guys. So I am waiting for your comments. Please do comment your opinions below in the comment section. So please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon nearby, and follow me in the Instagram and Twitter, so that you can follow me in all the social media platforms and get to know more updates about me. So please subscribe to this channel guys. Bye.